Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to use Kayak Hacker Fare's feature. So let me tell you guys, to use Kayak Hacker Fare's feature, you have to search for round-trip flights as usual and look for results labeled Hacker Fare, which combine two one-way tickets on different airlines for savings. So to use this feature, what you're gonna have to do is go to your Kayak app and then enter your destination. Set up your dates, the number of travelers. Once you do that, look for results labeled Hacker Fare under the price, which usually means two one-way tickets on different airlines. Now tap View Deal. Kayak will open two separate booking tabs, one for each leg. Now book each flight directly with the respective airlines or travel agencies to secure the lower price. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.